that never dies.
You're tuned to WRIP 1313 AM, the station that never dies, broadcasting live from the heart of the afterlife. Keep it ghostly, folks. There you are, my curious cadavers. You've tuned that trusty old dial to WRIP 1313 AM, the station that never dies. I'm your host, Mortimer Muerte Graves, broadcasting live, or as close as one gets after the fact. Hey. Tonight's program is positively crawling with entertainment. Our dear grinning ghost will rattle off the latest weather, fog, screams, and scattered hauntings in the low 30s. Later, the lovely Natasha Noir drifts in with her nightfall forecast. Always steamy, never sunny. Then we'll drop by the social slime scene with Pustule P. Crumb, society's most inside man, literally. Of course, we'll check the Graveyard Gazette for news that refuses to stay buried. And along the way, we've got music to raise your spirits and rattle your bones. So pour yourself a nice cup of coffin brew, settle into something eternally comfortable, and let's begin the haunting hour proper. Because here at WRIP 1313 AM, the night is young, the grave is shallow, and the band's just dying to play.
Down in the hollow at the midnight gate, skeleton jive till it's 8:30. Bones are rattling, trumpets blare, you can hear that rhythm everywhere. We're swinging with the skeleton band, best swinging bones in the land. And clickety-clack goes the ribcage drum when the skeleton band starts to hum. Trombones moan and the ghosts go boo, even the witch says howdy do. If you ain't dancing, take my hand and swing with the skeleton band.
The candles flicker low, the mirror sighs. I dance with dust beneath the skies. Your photograph still whispers true. Each shadow hums the sound of you. 1, 2, 3, my darling, see, I waltz with death so tenderly. The widow's waltz, it never ends. I twirl alone where darkness bends. Fade, the night is long. I hum our ghostly wedding song. Your phantom hand still leads my turn, while candle hearts forever burn. 1, 2, 3, my darling, see, I waltz with death so tenderly. The widow's waltz, it never ends. I twirl alone where darkness bends. The clock won't chime, the stars won't part, yet still you waltz inside my heart. So come what may, when angels halt, I'll take my rest in the widow's walls.
You're tuned to WRIP 1313 AM, broadcasting live from the other side.
Your time to
stretch out and stay a while.
make sure you do it in comfort and class.
With a custom model from Dead Cat's Coffin.
That's right, folks. Dead Cats builds every box to perfection.
Choose from fine mahogany, moonlit maple, or our deluxe black cat velvet finish.
All handcrafted to last an eternity.
So
Call Deadwood Fiber Gold 4 and tell them that Cat sent ya. Dead Cat's Coffin, smooth and sleek, for peaceful naps that last all week. From dusk till dawn you'll rest in style with Dead Cat's Coffin, guaranteed to smile.
Yes, folks, that's Dead Cat's custom coffins for all your dirt nap needs. Now back to our swinging wake. A one-y, a two-y, let's go!
I once was solid head to toe, now I rattle everywhere I go. Lost my jaw in 22, but I can still whistle, how about you? Let's all go to pieces, what's the harm? We'll swing our limbs and lose an arm. We're falling apart, but feeling grand. Best dressed band in no man's land. The trombone sneezes, the trumpet coughs. We clap our ribs and shake our coughs. No pulse, no bills, no human fears. Just grins that have lasted 50 years. Let's all go to pieces, what's the harm? We'll swing our limbs and lose an arm. We're falling apart, but feeling grand. Best dressed band in no man's land. If your bones start creaking, join the show. We'll nail you down before you go. Let's all go to pieces, strike that pose. We'll shake apart from skull to toes. Laughing, clacking, that's our art. Go to pieces with all your heart. My heart still beats behind these walls. Though dust may rise and curtains fall, I'm just an echo down the hall. The floorboards hum our melody. The mirror sighs in sympathy. I reach but touch the empty air and find your memory waiting there. Let's all go to pieces, what's the harm? We'll swing our limbs and lose an arm. We're falling apart, but feeling grand. Best dressed band in no man's land. Someday the stars will lose their glow, but I'll remain below, below. So if you pass this house at night and feel a chill you can't recall, that's just my love still taking flight and echo down the hall.
It's the midnight hour here at WRIP 1313 AM. Give or take a century. Set your clocks back about 6 feet. This is Mortimer, Muerty, Graves. Good evening, boils, ghouls, and lost souls. These are tonight's top stories from the Graveyard Gazette. In local headlines, ghosts in the old crypt staged a sit-up protest last night, demanding more considerate haunting hours. Management agreed, provided they keep the noise to a low moan. Meanwhile, grave diggers report record productivity after switching to the new pre-dug express service. Officials call it a real groundbreaking success. Say over at the Afterlife Welcome Center, the line to eternity stretched clear back into last week. Administrators remind new arrivals that eternity is patient, but paperwork isn't. Laughs. And in entertainment, the Skeleton Swing Band announced a comeback tour. Critics predict it will absolutely slay the crowd. See what I did there? This edition of the Graveyard Gazette is brought to you by the Eternal Rest Hotel, where you check in, but you never check out.
Tired of the daily grind,
Need a little eternal.
then check in tonight at
Eternal Rest Hotel.
where the lights are low, the beds are cold,
And the guests
never seem to leave.
will leave the candle burning just for you.
That's right. Call Westwood 709, that's RE 70909, and book your stay for all eternity. Eternal rest where dreams drift out. You check in, but you never check out.
And now, dear listeners, the moon climbs high and the temperature drops low, which means it's time for our favorite forecast of fright. She's beauty, she's brains, and she's a Category 5 in heels. The one, the only, Natasha Noir, bringing you the nightfall forecast, where every chance of rain comes with a touch of mystery.
Good evening, my delicious little corpses. This is Natasha Noir with your undead weather, darling. Over the graveyard tonight, expect a simply divine fog, thick enough to lose an entire wedding party. Again. The temperature? Room temperature, naturally. Just the way we like our lovers, A brisk wind will ruffle your burial shrouds, so do pin them tight, or you'll give the neighbors quite a peekaboo, darling. Tomorrow brings scattered moaning across the valley and a 70% chance of deja vu. And remember, if lightning strikes, pose dramatically. One must look stunning when resurrected. This forecast has been brought to you by Dead Cats Coffins, where beauty never fades. It merely decomposes gracefully, darling.
Natasha Noir's Nightfall Forecast.
When it's your time to stretch out and stay a while, make sure you do it in comfort and class with a custom model from Dead Cat's Coffin.
You Cat's Coffin.
That's right, folks. Dead Cats builds every box to perfection.
Choose from fine mahogany, moonlit maple, or our deluxe black cat velvet finish, all handcrafted to last an eternity.
So call Deadwood 504. That's DE 50404.
And tell them the cat sent you.
Dead Cat's Coffin, smooth and sleek, for peaceful naps that last all week.
From dusk till dawn, you'll rest in style with Dead Cat's Coffin. Guaranteed to smile. Oh!
The crowd's all bones, the beats alive. We shake that dirt till 5:30. The preacher's gone, the devil's out. We're rocking loud, no room for doubt. 6 feet of rhythm, dig that sound. Coolest cats beneath the ground. Clap your claws and stomp that dirt. 6 feet of rhythm, never
bang in time. Banshee horn just blew my mind. The moon's our spotlight, pale and proud. We raise the dead and wow the crowd. 6 feet of rhythm, dig that sound. Coolest cats beneath the ground. Clap your claws and stomp that dirt. 6 feet of rhythm, never heard. Guitar howl, saxophone shout. You can't keep good ghouls out. 6 feet of rhythm, swing that spade. We rock the grave we freshly made. When midnight falls, we'll twist about. 6 feet of rhythm, let's dig out.
Yes, that tune was so good it killed on the charts. You're listening to WRIP 1313 AM, where the hits never die, they just come back for an encore.
Say, neighbors, tired of noisy humans, stomp around your nice, quiet graveyard. Do the living keep ruining your eternal rest? Well then call life. Be gone, exterminators. The afterlife's the #1 choice for living pest control.
We'll clear your home of heartbeats in no time.
Our train hunters specialize in eviction of the breathing. From screaming teenagers to meddling mediums. All gone in one ghostly visit.
That's right, call ready 6066 today. That's GR6066
And tell them Jack Holloway sent ya. Life be gone, quick and clean. Best darn service you've ever seen. When mortals lurk or live and shout, life be gone, we'll clear 'em out.
I whisper through the rafters where your laughter used to stay. The silverware remembers you in its own ghostly way. Your shadow fades each evening when the candle shadows fall, but your voice still lingers. An echo down the hall. Oh, darling, can't you hear me call? My heart still beats behind these walls. Though dust may rise and curtains fall, I'm just an echo down the hall. The floorboards hum our melody, the mirror sighs in sympathy. I reach but touch the empty air and find your memory waiting there. Someday the stars will lose their glow, but I'll remain below, below. chill you can't recall. That's just my love still taking flight. An echo down the hall.
And now, my ghoulish gourmets, it's time to rub elbows, or what's left of them, with the upper crust of the underworld. From banquets to bone quets, he's in every crowd and sometimes on them. Please welcome our ever-engaging, ever-oozing correspondent, Pustule P. Crumb, with tonight's gruesome gathering social calendar.
Good evening, you glamorous ghouls and pustulant patrons of the paranormal. This is your host, Pustule P. Crumb, social parasite, literal and otherwise, bringing you this week's gruesome gatherings social calendar. First up, Friday night at the Eternal Rest Ballroom, it's the Bones and Bows charity dance. Admission is 1 rib or equivalent donation. Live music by the Skeleton Swingers. And remember, no flesh, no shoes, no problem. Saturday brings the annual Cemetery Potluck and Possession Drive. Over at Crypt number 9, bring a dish to share or just bring a dish. The spirits will fill it for you. On Sunday, the Ghoul Scouts of America will be hosting their Spookathon. Patch earning categories include Best Whale, Most Transparent Tent, and Unholy Fire Safety. I'll be there handing out complimentary slimes. Do say hello, but please don't shake hands. I'm still digesting last week's guest. And finally, a reminder from our sponsors at the Afterlife Welcome Center. If you attended last week's seance and still feel tingly in odd places, that's not enlightenment, that's me. Do schedule an appointment for extraction, won't you, darlings? This has been Pustule P. Crumb with your gruesome gathering social calendar. Until next time, keep your invitations open, your hosts moist, and remember, I may be inside you now, but I'm rooting for your social life.
Pustule Crumb, society's inner circle. Got ghastly grime, haunted house in need of a shine. Cold cobweb cleaner.
They got the ectoplasm out of my drape.
That's right.
From spooky attics to phantom floors, we'll leave your lair squeaky clean before midnight.
We'll sweep those haunts and set the mood.
Ah, nothing like a good ad to lift your spirits, or lower them depending on the package. Now back to the show.
Pumpkins marching 2 by 2, smiling white and glowing too. Lanterns high and candles low, off to the pumpkin parade we go. Toot your horn and stomp your feet, every ghost in town keeps beat. Moonlight shining, shadows play, it's the pumpkin parade today. Cats are dancing on the fence, witches laugh without offense. Trick or treat, the children say, in the pumpkin parade, hooray.
We'll be right back after a few words from our dearly beloved sponsors. Don't go wandering off. You might not find your way back.
Bubble, bubble, what's that smell? Candy so good you'll fly, fly, fly high. A pinch of sugar, a dash of fun. Stir the cauldron till it's all done. Lollipops twirling in the night. Every bite's a Halloween delight. Goblins giggle, witches grin. Step right up, let the magic begin. One taste and you'll see the truth. Witch Hazel sweets will steal your tooth. Witch Hazel's Candy Kitchen, oh wow. The sweetest treats for right now. Grab a bag, don't be shy. Candy so good you'll fly, 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 fly. So come on down to Hazel's spot where Halloween's always bubbling hot. Witch Hazel's Candy Kitchen, the name sweet, spooky fun. It's our claim to fame. Well, Witch Hazel's Candy Kitchen, oh wow. The sweetest treats for right now. Grab a bag, don't be shy. Candy so good you'll fly, 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 fly.
Ah, nothing like a good ad to lift your spirits, or lower them depending on the package. Now back to the show.
I turned the dial one foggy night and heard a whisper soft and light, a crackle, a hum, and a sweet hello from the ghost in my radio. Boo-dee-boo, don't be shy. Sing along, give a spectral sigh. He hums in tune where the moonbeams glow, that ghost in my radio. He croons old songs from 42, a phantom DJ with something new. No tricks tonight, just a swinging show with a ghost in my radio.
Down in the hollow past the midnight gate, skeletons jive till it's late. Bones are rattling, trumpets blare, you can hear that rhythm everywhere. We're swinging with the skeleton band, best swinging bones in the land. Clickety-clack goes the ribcage drum when the skeleton band starts to hum. Trombones moan and the ghosts go boo. Even the witch says, howdy do. If you ain't dancing, take my hand and swing with the skeleton band.
You're tuned to WRIP 1313 AM, broadcasting live from the other side.
You brought the kettle, I brought the spoon. We're stirring up magic beneath the moon. A pinch of charm, a dash of delight. Our witch's brew is boiling.
Right. Ooh, baby, take a sip or two. This spell's got nothing but love for you. Double, double, hearts renew in our witch's brew for two.
The broom's on standby, the cauldron hums. A kiss will come when midnight comes.
So clink your cup and see it through. That witch's brew for me and you. I turned the dial one foggy night and heard a whisper soft and light. Crackle, a hum, then a sweet hello from the ghost in my radio. Boo-dee-boo, don't be shy. Sing along, give a spectral sigh. He hums in tune
where the moonbeams glow, that ghost in my radio. He croons old songs from 42, a phantom DJ with something new. No tricks tonight, just a swinging show with a ghost in my radio.
Drips through cobweb lace, softly shining on your face. We walk alone, no need to explain. Down old cobweb lane, the world's asleep, but we're awake. Each ghostly sigh crickets make. You hold my hand, we dance again by the moonlight in Cobweb Lane. No fright tonight, just candle flame. Whisper my name, whisper my name. Our hearts entwine, so sweet, so plain. Neath the moonlight in Cobweb Lane.
We'll be right back after a few words from our dearly beloved sponsors. Don't go wandering off. You might not find your way back.
Step right up, Fright fans! Are your knees knocking on Halloween? Try Dr. Ghoul's genuine glow-in-the-dark elixir in tonic!
Why, one sip and you'll be beautifully brave.
Sold wherever fine phantoms shop. Just ask for the bottle that screams when you open it!
Doc, doc, doc! Doc Ghoul's elixir gives you the spark to dance with ghosts long after dark.
Well, the moon came up and the tombs came alive. The ghouls hit the floor about 5:30. The jukebox screaming from beyond the veil with a rhythm so hot it could raise old hell. Rattle till you drop, don't stop that beat. Crack them bones and shuffle them feet. When your joints fall off, just screw them on tight. We're gonna rattle till we drop tonight. The vampire grins, the mummy's wrapped up, buddy, he still spins. The ghostly gals do the jitterboo bop. We're tearing up heaven from the bottom to the top. Saxophone screaming, coffin lids popped. The reaper's in the corner yelling, baby, don't stop. If you're dead, undead, or halfway there, we got a rhythm in the midnight air. Sun's peeking up, that's our cue. But we'll be back when the night turns blue. Right up till you drop, oh, hear that sound with the loudest souls. 6 feet down. Down on the edge of the Cypress Road, there's a joint where the lost souls go. Trumpets holler, tombstone shake, even though St. Peter's on his break. Boogie at the boneyard, stomp that ground, shake them shackles, rattle that sound. If your halo's bent or your halo's gone, boogie at the boneyard all night long. preacher's drinking, the banshee's crying, the drummer boy's bones keep time while dying. We don't close, we don't sleep, we just swing till the reaper creeps. So call the phones, grab your ghoul and come around. We're digging that boneyard sound. When the rooster crows and dawn turns pale, we fade away with a final wail. Boogie at the boneyard, that's our song. We'll haunt this joint all year long. Whoa. Grab your phones and polish them bright. We're stepping out for the fright of the night. The banshees humming, the trumpets boom. Everybody's dancing in the shake, rattle and tomb. Oh, shake, rattle and tomb, my friend. We'll swing and sway till the bitter end. Your knees might creak and your skull may bloom, but you'll never rest in the shake, rattle and tomb. The organ's wailing, the candles pop. The zombies yell, baby, don't you stop. The piano's mad, the drummer's doom. It's a jitterbug jam in the shake, rattle and tomb. The tuba's blowing low and round. The ghosts jump high and slam the ground. If your jawbone drops, don't lose that grin. Just screw it back on and dance again. Oh, shake, rattle and tomb, my crew. The grave's got rhythm and so do you. Dig up your blues and exhume that tune. We're swinging all night in the shake, rattle and tomb. When dawn creeps up with a golden gloom, we'll fade away, but we'll make more room for every soul who loves to boom. Just follow the beat to the shake, rattle and tomb. Oh, shake, rattle and tomb, my crew. The grave's got a rhythm, and so do you. Dig up your blues and exhume that tune. We're swinging all night in the shake. Rattle and tomb.
Ah, yes. That tune was so good it killed on the charts. You're listening to WRIP 1313 AM, where the hits never die, they just come back for an encore. And now, here to keep you in good spirits, literally, is our own cheerful chap from the other side, the one and only Grinning Ghost.
Why, thank you, Morty, old pal. Hee-hee! Good evening, listeners of the living and the dearly departed. It's another positively frightful night here in the Valley of Eternal Gloom. And oh boy, is it a beauty! Over in the cemetery district, we've got patches of howling fog rolling in around tombstone level. Visibility for the corporeal crowd, not so good. For the rest of us, transparent types, crystal clear. Expect a brisk chill from the northwest, bringing in cold fronts and colder fronts, followed by a few scattered screams before midnight. Gravediggers should bundle up. Temperatures will drop to a cozy way below room temperature. Tomorrow's forecast, heavy mist, light moaning, and a 30% chance of ghostly apparitions before sunrise. Perfect weather for stretching your ectoplasm and giving the neighbors a good scare. And that's your update, folks. From me, your always smiling spook, reminding you, keep your sheets dry, your lanterns lit, and never let a little fog dampen your haunt.
Thank you, Grinning Ghost. Always a ray of moonlight on a cloudy tomb. Now let's wake the dead in this final part of our delightfully creepy show. Let's shake the cobwebs off these old bones and get back to the music.
Down in the hollow at the midnight gate, skeleton jive till it's 8:30. Bones are rattling, trumpets blare, you can hear that rhythm everywhere. We're swinging with the skeleton band, best swinging bones in the land. And clickety-clack goes the ribcage drum when the skeleton band starts to hum. Trombones moan and the ghosts go boo, even the witch says howdy do. If you ain't dancing, take my hand and swing with the skeleton band.
Down on the edge of the Cypress Road, there's a joint where the lost souls go. Trumpets holler, tombstones shake, even old St. Peter's on his break. Boogie at the boneyard,
Stomp that ground.
stomp that ground,
Stomp that ground.
shake them shackles,
Shackles
rattle that sound.
Rattle that sound.
If your halo's been or your halo's gone, boogie at the boneyard all night long. Preacher's drinking, and the banshee's crying, and the drummer boy's bones keep time while dying. And we don't close, we don't sleep, we just swing till the reaper creeps and crying wails, piano moans, heaven's closed, so call the phones, grab your ghoul and come around. We're digging that boneyard sound. When the rooster crows and dawn turns pale, we fade away with a final wail. Boogie at the boneyard, that's our song. We'll haunt this joint all year long. Once was solid head to toe, now I rattle everywhere I go. Lost my jaw in 22, but I can still whistle. How about you? Let's all go to pieces, what's the harm? We'll swing our limbs and lose an arm. We're falling apart but feeling grand, best dressed band in no man's land. The trombone sneezes, the trumpet coughs, we clap our ribs and shake our coughs. No pulse, no bills, no human fears, just grins that have lasted 50 years. Let's all go to pieces, what's the harm? We'll swing our limbs and lose an arm. If your bones start creaking, join the show. Oh, we'll nail you down before you go. Let's all go to pieces, strike that pose. We'll shake apart from skull to toe. Laughing, clacking, that's our art. Go to pieces with all your heart. My heart still beats behind these walls, though dust may rise and curtains fall. I'm just an echo down the hall. The floorboards hum our melody. The mirror sighs in sympathy. I reach but touch the empty air and find your memory waiting there. Let's all go to pieces, what's the harm? We'll swing our limbs and lose a note. Someday the stars will lose their glow, but I'll remain below. So if you pass this house at night and feel a chill you can't recall, that's just my love still taking flight, an echo down the hall.
been out for a fry of the night. The banshees humming, the trumpets boom, everybody's dancing in the shake, rattle and tune. Oh, shake, rattle and tune, my friend. We'll swing and sway to the bitter end. Your knees might creak and your skull may bloom, but you'll never rest in the shake, rattle and tune. The organ's wailing, the candles pop. The zombies yell, baby, don't you stop. The piano's mad, the drummer's doom. It's a jitterbug jam in the shake, rattle and tune. The tuba's blowing low and round. The ghosts jump high and slam the ground. If your jawbone drops, don't lose that grin. Just screw it back on and dance again. Oh, shake, rattle, and to my crew. The grave's got rhythm and so do you. Dig up your blues and exhume that tune. We're swinging all night in the shake, rattle, and tune. When dawn creeps up with her golden gloom, we'll fade away, but we'll make more room for every soul who loves to boom. Just follow the beat to the shake, rattle and tune. Oh, shake, rattle and tune, my crew. The grave's got rhythm and so do you. Dig up your blues and exhume that tune. We're swinging all night in the shake, rattle and tune.
The moon's a lantern in the sky tonight. Graves whisper secrets where shadows bite. A marimba hums, steel drums sigh.
The wind it dances soft and low through tombstone paths where spirits go. Oh, sway with the dead, sway with the dead, sway with.
Where the living fear to tread.
Sway with the dead, sway with the dead.
The night is alive, but the world's gone to bed. A choir of ghosts hums hollow tunes, their voices rising with the runes. The ground it hums, the roots they bloom.
Steel rhythms tap, bones keep the beat. But a bunch heart skips in the heat. Through gothic dark and playful mist, the graveyard sings. Sing and resist. So sway with the dead, sway with the dead, sway with the dead.
Where the living fear to tread.
Sway with the dead, sway with the dead.
The night is alive, but the world's gone to bed.
This is Mortimer Muerte Graves signing off from WRIP 1313 AM, where the music's to die for and the audience is to die with. Sleep tight and don't wake the neighbors.